I'm on the way home, part 4. I'm going for the tunnel again. Oh. Late. It's fun. But I live out my hair.
Honey,
This is the going through. Coming back now, and yeah, sorry about that, the phone's just glitching. I don't know why. So we're here. Stopped in teas, and yeah, that's. So yeah, this is where we are, and now we're back home. Well, look at that car. Nice. Nearly home. I can't really see my home though. Really far away. Just don't have a block for you. I'm just Look at the hills. I'm tough right now. Nearly there.